Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad 330. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad 330 can't even last an hour off charge, you're likely dealing with a failing battery. This can happen due to age, continuous charging cycles, or even heat exposure. If left unfixed, it could lead to reduced performance or even permanent damage to your laptop. To replace the battery, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Carefully place the device on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are usually several screws, so be sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid snapping any clips. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery clearly. It is typically held in place with a few screws. Carefully remove those screws and disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be gentle while doing this to avoid damaging any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take the new battery out of its packaging. Align it in the same direction as the old one and reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard. Secure the battery in place with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back panel, double-check that everything is connected properly and nothing is loose. Now, carefully replace the back panel, pressing down gently to ensure it clicks back into place. Finally, screw the back panel down securely, making sure not to over-tighten and damage the casing. To verify that your battery replacement was successful, power on the laptop and check the battery status in the settings. If everything is working correctly, your Lenovo IdeaPad 330 should now hold a charge as expected. To avoid this issue in the future, consider monitoring your battery health regularly and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in for prolonged periods when fully charged. This can help extend the overall lifespan of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.